Bizee versus Tailor Brands. Which one is better? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to compare Bizee with Tailor Brands. So let's get started. But before we dive into today's comparison, just a quick note, you'll find links to both Bizee and Tailor Brands in the description box below. Be sure to check those out after the video. Also, this video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they are the best in the industry. So, starting a business takes more than just a brilliant idea. It requires solid planning and a proper execution. One of the first big decisions you'll face is forming your LLC, and choosing the right service can take a lot of hassle out of the process. In this video, we're comparing Bizee and Tailor Brands, which are two popular platforms for LLC formation, so we'll break down their pricing, features, customer support, and overall value to help you decide which one fits your business best. Let's begin with a quick breakdown. So Bizee is known for its focus on business formation. It provides tools like compliance tracking, business tax consultation, and bookkeeping support, which is ideal for those who want a simple business-first platform. Then we have Tailor Brands, on the other hand, blends LLC formation with branding tools. Alongside filing services, it offers logo creation, brand kits, and website building features, which is a great choice for entrepreneurs focused on building an online brand presence from day one. Although both services help get your business off the ground, their specialties are different. One is business-centric, Bizee, and the other lean towards brand building, that is Tailor Brands. So let us head over and compare the pricing. So let us start with Bizee. Bizee has a basic plan for $0. It includes state fee that depends on the state that you choose. The basic plan includes features such as preparing and filing the articles of organization, free first-year agent service, free first month of virtual address service, and some additional free things such as online access dashboard, business banking account offer, business tax consultation. It has some additionally paid features such as expedited filing, business contract templates, EIN business tax number operating agreement, and IRS form. And then the standard plan includes a fee of $199 excluding the state fee. It has everything that the basic plan includes. Additionally, it has some features such as lifetime compliance alerts and unlimited phone and email support. And then we have premium for $299 excluding the state fee. It has all the features that the standard plan includes. Additionally, it has domain name and first year business phone number. Now let's head over to Tailor Brands. So Tailor Brands has a light version for $0 plus state fees, so it will depend on the state that you choose. It has some features such as form your LLC, process the LLC within 14 business days, invoicing, annual compliance, establish operating agreement, and then we have essential one that is for $199 excluding the state fees. It has everything that the light one includes and it has some additional features. And then we have elite one that is for $249 excluding the state fee, and it has everything that the essential plan includes, and additionally it has some other features. So here, Bizee offers more value at the entry level and mid-tier, especially if you're focused on core business tools. If speed matters to you, and it should be, here's a major difference. Bizee guarantees 24-hour document processing. Processing can take 2 to 3 business days in Tailor Brands, or even longer depending on state and package tier. So winner in speed is Bizee, as it has same-day guarantee. And a registered agent is a must for every LLC. Bizee has 1 year free, then $199 per year, while Tailor Brands is $199 per year with no free year included. So clearly, Bizee wins again here, especially for startups trying to stay lean. Both platforms offer clean interfaces, but here's the breakdown. Bizee is praised for its no-nonsense, beginner-friendly setup. Tailor Brands has a sleek and modern interface, especially for creative, but its upsells and bundled features can confuse first-time business owners. If you prefer a clean, focused experience without unnecessary extras, Bizee takes the edge here. So let's talk about the special features that why the two platforms really differ. Bizee has tax calculator, free compliance alerts, optional bookkeeping, business-first tools. Tailor Brands has logo maker, brand kit generator, website builder, more branding oriented. So Bizee is better suited for building the foundation of your business. Talking about customer support, Bizee has phone and chat support during weekdays 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. CST. It has 4.7 star rating on Trustpilot. Tailor Brands has email-based support, slower response times reported. It has lower Trustpilot rated, around 4.1 stars. So while Tailor Brands may have flashier tools, Bizee leads with more responsive, high-rated support. So if you're launching a business and want affordable, transparent pricing, lightning-fast processing, practical business tools, then Bizee is the clear winner. And that wraps up our comparison. Let us know in the comments which service you're leaning towards. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link in the description to explore both platforms. And I'll see you in the next video.